Bonjour, mes amis. Mes amis. Mes amis means my friends. Bonjour, mes amis. Hello, my friends. Now you have already mastered in the basics. If not, please watch my previous videos. You will get the link in the description box. Okay? So let's start this video. Think about how often we use numbers in everyday life. Without knowing numbers, how will you tell the time and prices in French? Learning number is an essential part of every language. Okay, here you will learn how to count up to 10. Alright, while explaining about numbers, you can see their corresponding English transliterations as a subtitle. Please watch and listen carefully. Zero. Zero. Zero is what? Zero. Un is 1. You should know that the spelling and pronunciation of number 1 can change. Sometimes it's but sometimes it's yun. If used with a feminine noun like pizza, you say yun pizza. We will discuss later about the gender of noun. Okay, so come to the counting. Un is 1. Deux is 2. Trois is 3. Quatre is 4. Cinq is 5. Six, it's 6. The number 6 in French is also deceiving because it looks like 6 in English. 6, it's 6. Sept is 7. We don't pronounce the P when we say set. Huit, it's 8. Alright. Neuf is 9. Last but certainly not the least, these is 10. In French, you will find that the pronunciation doesn't reflect the spelling as it usually does in English. Hardest part of learning French number is pronunciation. So practice over and over and you will get at them eventually. Okay, so let's repeat. Can you repeat after me? Zéro. Un. Deux. Trois. Quatre. Cinq. Six. Sept. Huit. Neuf. Dix. Très bien. Très bien means what? Très bien is very good. Très bien. In speaking, make sure your lips are pursed and your voice nasally. Okay? Learning how to count in French is such an easy skill to master. These numbers 0 to 10 are very important to master quickly, as they will be the building blocks for learning the number 1 to 100 and upwards. You can count the number randomly. And you need to know your numbers front to back and back to front. So let's count these backward. These, nuff, nuff is what? 9. Wheat, set, seas, sank, cat is what? Is 4. Twah, do, zero. So fastest, easiest and the most fun way to learn French is trois. Trois is what? 3. Un is what? 1. Trois plus un is equal to what? Can you tell? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 in French is kat. Next, do plus cat is equal to, can you reply? Do is 2, cat is 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 in French is six. Do plus cat equal to six. Okay. Next, zero is what? 0. Zero plus set. 0 plus set. 0 plus 7 is equal to what? 7. 7 in French is set. 0 plus set equal to set. Alright. Next, neuf plus un. Neuf plus un equal to what? Can you tell? Neuf is 9. Un is 1. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 in French is these. Always remember, with hard work and practice, it will be easier for you to master reading and pronunciation French numbers. Okay, so it will be continued. Au revoir, à bientôt.